Hi, and welcome to your daily personal development routine. In this video, you will learn more about ADS or ADHD. Let's dive into some effective tips for staying organized, even when your mind is racing. First up, create a simple daily planner. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a notebook or an app where you can jot down your tasks. Breaking your day into manageable chunks will help you focus and feel accomplished as you check things off. Next, use timers to manage your time effectively. Set a timer for 25 minutes to work on a task, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique, known as the Pomodoro technique, can help increase your productivity while giving your brain the breaks it needs. Third, declutter your space. A clean workspace can do wonders for your focus and organization. Spend a few minutes each day tidying up. This will not only help you find things more easily, but also create a calm environment. Fourth, utilize visuals. Use sticky notes, color-coded labels, or digital reminders to keep important tasks and deadlines at the forefront of your mind. Visuals are powerful tools for the ADHD brain, making it easier to remember what needs to get done. Lastly, don't hesitate to ask for support. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a support group, sharing your challenges can provide new perspectives and strategies. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and together we can navigate the path to organization.